This was my father's and my Guruji's dream that I should do my doctorates in music. And when I was, I passed out my 12th, and I was asked to take some subject, whatever I wanted to, what I wanted to be or what I wanted to get into. So I thought of doing English honors or maybe history honors that I was good in. So I was an art student, so I thought I should do something like that. And then my Guruji said to me and my dad that music is also a subject that you should, and then that is your subject. Why not you, practical you have, why don't you learn theoretical? So you should learn the theory and then you become a doctor, you get a degree, a graduation, post-graduation, MPhil and then PhD. So this is a great achievement, and you will be always honored. People will look upon you in a different angle, and you'll be more practical, and theory will make a big difference. So I was too young to understand, but then I said sure. And then my dad, everybody, they were like, yeah, that's good, why don't you give a thought, why don't you think about it? And then I said to myself, okay, now I think one of those very fortunate students who didn't have music as a subject in my higher education. I didn't. In my 12th, I didn't. Higher secondary, I didn't have. But still I got admission because there was an audition. Everybody knew that she's going to pass anyway. So I just sang Darbari Rag and made my teachers happy in the Faculty of Music and Fine Arts, Delhi University. And so then this all happened, and I got admission, and then I did my graduation, I did my post-graduation, and it was all first. Then I did MPhil, and I got distinction in MPhil. Yeah, there was in MPhil I got a distinction, and then I did my PhD. And by the grace of God, I could finish after 14 years of my life. And this was last year. So I got my degree, and God is kind that at least my dad, my Guruji couldn't see me as a doctor, but at least my dad could see me as a doctor. And I'm really thankful to God for it. I wish Madan Mohan can come back, Pancham Da can come back, all those legendary music directors can come back and compose for me. But still, there are some good composers in the industry even today, and I wish to work. I've worked also, and I wish to work. I actually wish to work with all those people who do good music, and A.R. Rahman is one of those that I've yet not worked with. I really would love to work for him, with him, and I think the kind of creation that he does, I think I can do justice to his kind of music and his creativity. I can add up to his creativity, and I think I have full confidence in that, because I have done all this all my life. I've done music and nothing else. So I think I can do it, but it's just the time, I think, not the right time. When it will be the right time, I think me and Rahman will also work together, which will be probably, you never know when and how, but it shall, inshallah.